Swift Publisher Review. Is this the best desktop publishing tool? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for Swift Publisher. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below and where you can get special discounts when you're planning to buy Swift Publisher. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So for the reviews right here, according to Capterra, Swift Publisher has a 4.1 star rating out of 5. So yeah, so these are the reviews right here for Swift Publisher. So according to this one right here, the quality is great and the templates look really good. I can make beautiful brochures in no time, quick and quite easy. According to Francesco over here, one feature we use is the capacity to print labels merging a list of our contacts. That feature alone justifies the little price we pay. Then we have another review right here from Meredith. So before I found Swift Publisher, I bought online templates that were useless. The program was fantastic and saved my project. So these are some of the reviews right here for Swift Publisher. So moving on, so we have the pricing right here for Swift Publisher. So again, if you guys want special discounts or special promos, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So it has a lot of prices right here. So first we have the Swift Publisher, which is $19.99. So this one includes over 2,000 clip art images and it is single user license. Next is we have the Swift Publisher Plus Extras pack. So this one includes over 40,000 royalty-free clip art images and 100 open type fonts. So yeah, so this one will cost you around $27.99 a month, and then here you can save $1.99. Then you can also get the Swift Publisher upgrade for $9.99, so you can upgrade your existing license. So you will get Swift Publisher 4, a business card composer, disc cover, and labels and addresses. And then Swift Publisher also has some family packs right here. So the first family pack is $35.99. So this license can be used up to 5 computers in a household. Then you'll also get the family pack plus extras. This one will cost around $49.99. So the license can be used up to 5 computers in a household, and this one includes the extras pack with over 40,000 images and 100 fonts. And then lastly, we have the extras pack right here. So again, you'll get 40,000 royalty-free clip art images and 100 open type fonts. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for the review of Swift Publisher. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below and where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're planning to buy Swift Publisher. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.